Gitlow v. New York. The case date was June 8, 1925, and the Chief Justice was Sanford. Gitlow believed that his First and 14th Amendment were violated.
Gitlow advocated mass revolts, political strikes, and taking revolutionary action which meant that the government be overthrown by force, violence, and assassination. Subversive speech was found unprotected by the Constitution because it presents a clear and present danger. Benjamin Gitlow was a member of the Socialist Party of America in 1919. In July of that year, he was arrested and charged with violating a law called the Criminal Anarchy Law. The law stated that it was illegal to advocate the overthrow of the government by force. Gitlow distributed copies of a pamphlet called Left Wing Manifesto. In 1920, he was convicted and sentenced to 5 to 10 years in prison. Gitlow argued that the Left Wing Manifesto was not only an act of practical advocacy.
The court ruling dissent was that Justice Oliver Wendell Holmes held that Gitlow had not violated the current present danger test. He said, "The judgment should be reversed because the general principle of free speech, it seems to me, must be taken to be included in the 14th Amendment in view of the scope that has been given to the word liberty, as they're used, although perhaps it may be accepted with his somewhat larger latitude of interpretation than is allowed by Congress by the sweeping language that governs or ought to govern the laws of the United States."
This landmark decision showed that the 14th Amendment to the Constitution has certain limitations on federal government authority set forth in the First Amendment. More specifically, the provisions protecting freedom of speech and freedom of press to the government of individual states. This was significant because it set a new precedent for free speech on a state-by-state basis and broadened our free speech rights for our country. The court has reasoned that the government could punish speech that threatens its basic existence because of the national security implications.